kuom midhiero magikadhe. Efinye Kidi, Ramogi TV.
Kamana nyaifi wadhi nyime kama jatend migao mar Arita Kipchumba Murkomen opuoyo wach mowacho ni kwe nobedo yiero madundo maol Kalau kowacho ni chochni matin mane obede gwengego ok nyis ni arita mapacho ka onjawre. Murkomen mane loso gwenge mag Bomet owacho ni migao mar Arita osejiwo chenro mag arita e pacho ka e sekta mopogore kamoting'o okang' mosekaw ni kweth njore mopogore e pacho ka. Kuom mano wacho ni gikawo motegno wach arita mar piny ka giseyo joma temo buogo jo Kenya ni arita onjawre e pacho ka ahinya motelo ne yiero ma higa manyien.
Very quickly, I'm going to start with... We are doing everything right in the security sector. So don't exaggerate one incident that happens here and there and make it look like there's a security crisis. There is no security crisis in Kenya. And as I said, the challenges we had in Kalau over few elements that may have caused a bit of scuffles here and there are not going to become, we are not going to accept that is the branding of the security sector in the country. The security of this country and the security officers of this country, led by the Inspector General of Police, are fully in charge of the security of the nation. Those who are using propaganda to try to instill fear, I must tell them that there will be no fear in Kenya. There is no need to scare Kenyans. Kenyans will do. They must appreciate the police officers, over 1,000 police officers who are there in Kalau to ensure that there is order. By their own admission, they believe that IBC did a fantastic job and that democracy prevailed. So it cannot only prevail when you win, and it doesn't prevail when you lose. We must learn to accept when we win and learn to accept when we lose.
Koro yangore ni ji abiriyo mawuok e piny mar Amerika maende konyo tich mar kedo kod tuo Ebola e piny mar Democratic Republic of Congo ni e pacho ka. Kalore kod kambi mar